Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be reviewing another humidifier, but this time it's a smart humidifier by SmartDevil brand. And by the way, the sponsor of this video is SmartDevil, and they sell fans, humidifiers, screen protectors, phone cases, car chargers, and many other accessories. If you're interested, then you can check them out by clicking the link in the description below. And without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, so what we have here is a smart humidifier. Now there's not much on the box other than humidifier itself. It says smart humidifier in here. Here's the back, here's the top, and there's another side. There's nothing on the bottom, but on this side, which is, you can say, either left or right side of the box, there's a small spec sheet telling what it does, and there's a UPC code, I guess, whatever. And there's says brand SmartDevil, product name Smart Humidifier, product model 356, input DC 24 volts 1 amps, and etc, etc. Now this humidifier has adjustable mist, humidity percentage control. It has a temperature indicator which can be controlled from multi-purpose monitor with clear detailed LED display. It is super quiet as company claims, and on level 1 humidifier will last for 4 hours, and on level 2 it will last about 8 hours. Unfortunately, it is 1.2 liter humidifier, smaller than the humidifier by Humidifier that we previously reviewed on this channel. And additionally, this humidifier is filled from the top, and this is very odd to me because I haven't seen or had a top filling humidifier. Another cool thing about this humidifier is that if you want, you can use essential oils. And when it comes to adjustable mist, it is automatically adjusts the mist level to maintain desired setting. Now it doesn't have adjustable nozzle to rotate any direction. Additionally, it has automatic shut off, which is pretty standard on the humidifiers at this point. Okay guys, so let's open this humidifier and see what's inside. So let me get my knife. There's these tapes in here. There we go. Now the box is, as you can see in the shipping, got deformed. Now if this is how it should be, or I don't think it should be like this, because if you can see, like here, yeah, anyway, hopefully this humidifier works even though it has a damage on the box. Here we go. So what do we got? There's two things on the top right here. Let me get it. So comes smart humidifier user manual. Thank you for your order, and product information, usage, and fill the water. Oh, it's, oh, look at that. When you're pouring the water, when adding the water on the top, after hearing a beep, it means that the water tank is full. Huh, I didn't know that. And there's a smart connector right here. It even shows that. Snap to cover in place. So put this aside, and let's see, what is this? Warranty instructions. Your SmartDevil customer has a warranty period of 1 full year from the purchase date. Please feel free to contact us if you run into any problems. SmartDevil, Amazon, as in different languages. Anyway, contact us. So yeah, it says North America, Europe, Asia Pacific, and Middle East. They sell everywhere, and they even have a sales channel on AliExpress, aliconsult@smartdevil.com. There you go. Put this aside and let's get the humidifier. So on the top there's a brick and wall adapter, power adapter, whatever you can call it, and it's very well built. It's not cheap, it's really good quality, solid, and it says input of 100 AC to 240 volts, 50 or 60 hertz, and output is 24 volts as I showed you. 1000 milliamp hours, made in China. Put this aside. Okay, now there's a styrofoam on the top, and this is how it is. This is the humidifier. It comes in this packaging, so let me get it out. Put this box aside. Wow, very cool humidifier actually. Look how it looks like. It kind of looks like Apple made a computer. It's called a Mac. People call it a Mac canister. Looks like a canister, and also looks like a HomePod type of design, but bigger. So apparently this is where heat dissipates. I don't know if there's a fan or not, but, and then this is how you lift it up. This is how it looks, the top part. There we go. Very cool design actually. Solid build. And this is where you fill it up if you want. Oh. Okay. So this is the bottom, and it has these two things. So this is where the mist comes out. It does not have any other holes where the mist comes out, only one. And it says please read before use. SmartDevil. If there's a, oh, this is the front. Look at that. So there's a drop symbol, loading, I guess, symbol, and then clock symbol right here. And then when you close it, there's these pins right here and right here, smell pins. So when you close it, make sure to align this to the top part to the bottom part with this indicator with these lines. You cannot put it like this or like this, because it's not going to work. Make sure to put it like that. There we go. And you can remove this before using it. You don't have to. And also there's on the back, there's a where you plug in the power outlet, which is, I think this is good. It's very low, really in the bottom, instead of being right over here. It's gonna be flat laying to the table, the cable. Okay, let me set this up and I will come back. Okay guys, so I filled up the humidifier with water, so I'm gonna plug it into the outlet. So here we go. There you go. As you can see, it beeps. I don't know if you heard it, but so whenever you plug it into the outlet, it beeps, letting you know that the humidifier is on and it's working. And to turn it on and to make it work, so there's 3 symbols in here. Water drop, the symbol is where you can change the output of the humidifier, and this is the timer. So I'm gonna press the water drop. It changes the percentage of humidity that you want to be in the room. As you can see, 75, 70, 65, 60, 55. So, and then I will press the circular dot symbol, which is in the middle. It changes the output and also turns it off. Hold on. It's kind of a little bit tricky too. There we go. It's off, and then on the right there's you can set, hold on, you can set a timer. This is 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, depending how much you want. 7, 8, you can see, and it's off. It also shows you the temperature, which is 20 Celsius right now. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of this product. I will start off with pros. So number 1 cool feature that this humidifier has than any other humidifier I reviewed on this channel is the multi-purpose LED monitoring system display. I like how you are able to see what is going on with the humidifier and the ability to control the percentage of the humidity that you want in the room to be. Second thing is that it has a temperature display. And the third is how you can fill the water from the top of the humidifier without taking it apart. Cool thing in here is that whenever it gets full, it will beep and let you know that humidifier is full. You can also take the top apart and add water. The fourth thing is it has metal contact points which connects with the top half of the humidifier when you close it, but you need to wipe the contact points if the area is wet with the water before closing the humidifier. And finally, you can use this humidifier with or without essential oils. That being said, there are some things that people might be disappointed with this humidifier, is the fact that it can hold only 1.2 liters of water, which is not ideal for big rooms, but should be enough for medium or small size rooms. Now with this comes the second issue, is the price. Now you might think since the humidifier can hold 1.2 liters of water, then it should be around less than $35, right? You are wrong. This humidifier packs with features, but it will cost you $49.99. Although you can use this coupon code that is made for this channel so you can save more on your purchase. It will also be in the description below for you to copy and paste it with ease. And this coupon code will be valid through December 30th. So hurry up and you can save a lot at this time. Now in conclusion, I think the humidifier is very modern looking and futuristic. It packs reasonable amount of features that gets the job done. Now I would love to have this humidifier and even buy it, but one thing would bother me is the capacity of the humidifier. Now don't get me wrong, it's still worth buying. It is a really good humidifier and works great. And if you have small room of plants, or if you're buying for your personal needs and you don't mind refilling it often, then this might be for you. But for me, I like things that last longer and doesn't require much of my attention. But if you are thinking to buy it, then go for it, enjoy it, because this is really a mid-range humidifier, packs with features. And with that being said, if you like this video, put thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, and if you want to see more videos, hit that notifications bell and toggle all notifications so you won't miss any of my videos. And if you have any questions, please comment below, and see you next time.